didn't even use nitrous oxide in Need for Speed on my old PlayStation.
Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my BMW M4 and we're gonna go for a nice drive, chill hopefully. We got the 360, we got the GoPro, we got the mics. Unfortunately, I haven't figured yet set up to put the mics on the car so we can hear the exhaust as well, but I'm working on it. The mic is in the car but it's just too loud, so I need to somehow sort it out before actually recording with it, because it's gonna be too loud so you won't hear my voice. But if you like, we can make a video where we have just pure M4 sound. So without further say, let's just jump in this car and drive. Okay guys, we are now inside the car and we can go for a drive. It's quite dark outside, it's becoming dark actually, and we can go and enjoy my M4, but not before. Not before. I hope you guys missed this because I did miss this. Let's go and then, oh shit, that was bad. I didn't like that. I love this car, man. And last time we didn't go for a proper drive just because I wasn't used with the car, so I had to learn the car first. But we are back at it, back as we used to drive the Golf R, probably even worse I would say, or even better. Every time I jump in this car, I feel like he wants to kill me. But that's the beauty of it. I know I haven't posted lately, guys, but you know, sometimes you get caught with your life and you can't always post or be active in social media, which to be honest, I was quite active when it comes to short form content. On YouTube I've posted quite rare, but I'm working on it. And trying to make things better. Also, I hope you like the sound quality because we have upgraded to some mics now. And I'm trying to get the mics on the car as well. I just don't know how to work it out yet. But the next video, I'm sure we're gonna have the mics. I have already failed at 2 videos. At this one and a video that I posted before, but I deleted it because the sound quality was so bad. But hopefully this time it's all good. We got an Audi behind that seems like he's interested in what we are doing because he's quite close to us. So let's keep an eye on it. I've never seen something like that in UK. I mean, I would expect different countries or Dodge, but not in UK. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure if that's legal on the road, but I mean, we have almost 500 on the road.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.
I love this burp. When you take the foot from the gas, it does this sound. I don't know, I just love it. It sounds so good. Alright guys, we go to the spot that we wanted to. They are looking weird at me, but it's fine. They might be wondering, what the fuck is this guy doing? Why is he recording? Who the fuck he think he is? And so on. Let's go quickly and then we can. Let's go now. Let's go.
This is what I'm. Why though?
You know, you try it, sometimes you drift it, sometimes you can lose it. It's on your wrist.
Why do you want to lose it?
It happens, man.
Fucking hell, bro.
It happens.
Time, man. Let's take time, cousin, man. Well, why do you want to lose it? Oh, fucking hell, bro. Take time, man.
Earlier off camera I took a speed bump that I couldn't see, and I want to see if my splitter is fine, to be honest. Fuck, let me see my splitter. Yo, bro, carbon splitters are crazy good. Alright, let's fuck off.
I didn't even use nitrous oxide in Need for Speed on my old PlayStation. And the cost of living is how you die from balloons and survive inflation. Guess is right in a verse right now. I measure the time it takes from 0 to 60 in 2.9. Who's gonna measure the time it's taken? I feel like Bond in a DB9. But the mixed drink stirred, not shaken. And the calamari in Cajun. My boy can't leave African food out his top 5 and go and eat Asian. What? I'll take him to Woolworth Road and train him. I send money to a chick on my brother's behalf as long as she call and mail him. Yacht master, never been sailing.
We got the pizza. It's here. We won't eat it now. It's really nice. Oh, this looks good. All right, let's have a slice now. Fuck, you know, that was loud. What are you doing on a Sunday night? Eating pizza in a stranger's car? He could even kidnap me right now. And going for drives. What the fuck? Yo! What the fuck? Yo! Yo, you're crazy, man. Alright guys, that's an interesting way of ending the night. Really glad we met someone new. It looks like he's quite crazy, same as us. And yeah, let's go now home, enjoy our pizza, and yeah, go from there. I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye.